wow. Hey there, my friends. It's me, Handyman Hal. Hope you're having an absolutely awesome day today. Oh, check it out. We're here at Pet Supplies Plus, here in Murrells Inlet, South Carolina. And we get to work here today. It's gonna be awesome. Oh, check it out. I even got my to-do list. Let's see, got some really cool things to do today. We've got to clean out a fish tank. That's cool. Ooh. Exercise a hamster? That sounds kind of cool. Oh, we get to feed a ferret and wash a dog. We're gonna have an awesome time working here today. Come on, let's go inside.
Hal's a handyman that's got a plan. Hal's a handyman. If he can't fix it, no one can.
Oh wow, my friends. Our first thing on our list was to clean the fish tank. And that's what we're doing now. We get to use this really cool tool. This is called a gravel vacuum. What you do is you squeeze this little pump here and it sucks the water up that pipe. It goes all the way down the tube, down into the bucket down there. And it gets all of the dirt off the bottom and out of the tank. Oh, it's really cool. Oh yeah. Hey there, fishies. Yep, we're cleaning your tank today. Oh yeah. What's really, really cool is that this is a really cool place to get your first pet. Oh, let's see, kind of like a goldfish. Oh, and look at them, there's some up there. You see the goldfish in there? Oh, that's really cool. Different fishes, let's see. Oh wow, these are really cool. There's some black and white striped ones in there. Hey fishies. Oh wow, check out these. Oh, look right here. We've got some gold ones and some white ones there. Those are really cool. I think I might have to get new goldfish. These are really cool. Oh wow, check out that fish. He's really cool. He's got some orange and black spots. Oh, he's awesome. You know he's called a peacock fish because of his colors. That's really cool. Oh, I'm loving these fish. Come check out some of these accessories for the fish tank. Well, of course, you gotta have a fish bowl to put your fish in, right? Check all this out. We've got pirates. Oh, that's cool. And pirate ships. It's like your fish can swim around with them. Oh, that's really cool. Check out all these cool plants. They got all kinds of different sizes and colors. Of course, we gotta have our food. We gotta feed our fish, right? Yeah, that's awesome. Oh, wow. I see some more cool animals. Come on, let's go. Look, this is where they keep the reptiles. Oh, these are really, really cool. Oh, look right in here. Oh, we've got baby bearded dragons. Oh, look at that one. He's in a tree. That's really cool. Oh, look at this. It's a leopard gecko. Hey there, buddy. Oh, he's really cool looking. It's like he's got a purple tail. That's really cool. Well, come on. Oh, look at this. This is where the hamsters, and the guinea pigs are. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at those little guinea pigs. Oh, they're really, really cool. We've got a brown one. We've got a black one. And a white one. Oh, that's really cool. So, next thing on our to-do list is to exercise a hamster. So come on, let's go. Oh, look. This is all the hamster exercise equipment. And check it out. It's a hamster wheel. And that actually goes into their cage. Ooh, wonder what it's like to run in the hamster wheel. Oh, wow. This is awesome. We're getting our exercise in now. Oh, yeah. Oh, reverse. Forward. Oh, yeah, this is great. This is awesome. Oh, it's getting a little tired now. Whoa! Oh, wow. That was awesome. Oh, let's see. I think we're gonna use one of these balls here. Let's see. Oh, yeah. How about the clear one? That way we can see him running around. This is perfect. Come on. Oh, check this out. Isn't this really, really cool? It's a hamster ball. This is what we're gonna use to exercise our hamster. So we gotta put it together just like this. All right, let's see. Get it to clip. There you go, there's one. There's 2, there's 3, and 1 more. And there's 4, and it's got a really cool little door for the hamster to go in. All right, so let's sit it right there. Let's get our hamster out. Check this out. Let's see if we can find one of these. Oh, there they go. Look, he's right there in the corner. Hey there, buddies. Hey. Oh, come on. Can I get you? Oh, yeah. It's time to exercise. Oh, yeah. Oh, come on, come on, come on. It's okay. It's okay, buddy. Oh, come on. Oh, we'll get you, we'll get you, we'll get you. Oh, I got you. Come on. Come on. Oh, there it is. I got you. I got you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, okay. Alrighty. Oh, this is awesome. Check him out. It's a little hamster. Okay, into the bucket you go. Oh. All right, got him in there. Oh, we gotta make sure we close this one, Matt, because we don't want the other one to get out. There we go. All right, there we go. And now, we let him crawl around. Oh yeah, rocking and rolling. Oh yeah, little buddy, you gotta get your steps in. This, come on. Oh yeah, you're doing a great job. Come on. We gotta get those muscles in shape. Well, he did a really good job. He got his exercise in. Oh, yep. We gotta put him back. So let's open him up. Let's see here. Okay, buddy. Oh, yep. Of course, we gotta be really, really gentle with animals. Yep. Come on, come on. I got you. Oh, there he goes. All right. See, look at him. There he goes. Cute little hamster. All right, buddy. Let's get you back into your house. You did a great job exercising today. All right, almost. There it is. Okay, buddy. Now you can go eat and enjoy your day. Well, on to the next thing. Come on, let's go. Oh, this is really cool. This is a ferret. Look at him. His name is Wayne. Oh, and he's really, really cool. Of course, we gotta feed him. So we've got his food here. So let's open it up. Oh, hey, Wayne. Hey, buddy, are you hungry? Oh, there you are. And of course, he's in his hammock. Ferrets really like to sleep a lot. Come here. Come here. Oh, yeah, hey, buddy. Oh, look, this is Wayne. Say, hey, Wayne. And they're really not wild animals at all. They're really sweet and nice. Hey, buddy. He's really, really cool. He's got some nice soft fur. Yep. And some little tiny feet. Hey there, buddy. How are you? Have you been sleeping today? Yeah? You cute little fella. Hey, buddy. Hey. All right, are you ready to go back inside? Now, that's my finger. Oh, wow. Aren't ferrets awesome? They're really cool. Hey. All right, well, let's put Wayne back in his hammock so he can sleep some more. If he's gonna sleep, I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Yep, that's my finger, buddy. Oh, wow. All right, buddy. We'll see you later, okay? Oh, wow. That's great. Now he's all back in his cage, ready to go. Well, let's get out our to-do list and see what we've got. All right, let's see here. Clean fish tank. Check that off. We've done that. Oh, we exercised the hamster. That was awesome. Oh, and of course, we fed the ferret, Mr. Wayne. And now, oh, we get to wash the dog. Come on, let's go take care of that now.
Hey, Handyman.
Hey there, how are you?
Are you here to wash Reese today?
I am. Oh, Reese, are you ready to go? Oh, yeah, come on back. There we go. Oh, isn't this really cool? Pet Supplies Plus has a place that you can wash your dog. This is awesome. All right, come on. Hop on up. Oh, yeah. This is great. So we're going to take off her leash, and we're going to put her on this leash right here. So that way she doesn't go anywhere. Oh, this is going to be great. All right, well, first things first, we got to put on our apron so we don't get water all over us. Oh, yeah. Yep, tie it back around us here. Oh, this is going to be great. All right, let's see. Tie that nice and tight. All right, Reese, are you ready? Come on. Well, we've got our sprayer here. That's cool. Oh yeah, and I bet it feels great. Are you ready? Oh yeah, here we go. Oh, this is great. All right, you got to get you all nice and wet. Yep. Oh, I bet she's really enjoying this. Oh, hey. Do you like this? Is this pretty cool? Oh wow, Reese. It's a golden doodle, right? And she's 2 years old. And some of her favorite things to do is to chase birds and squirrels. Oh, and of course to swim, right? Oh, she loves to swim. Oh, yeah. All right, now, and we gotta get some soap, okay? Oh, yeah, here we go. Let's get some soap. All right, there we go. All right, and let's lather her up. Oh, yeah, check that out. Do you like that? Oh, yeah, she does. Oh, we gotta get her all nice and clean. Yeah? How you like that? Does that feel good? We gotta get your paws. Can I get your paws? No? We just gotta rinse her off. And then we gotta get her dry, right? All right, here we go. You ready? All right. Oh, yes, that feels great. Wow. The water's really warm, so it doesn't scare her. It makes it nice and relaxing for her. Now, we gotta dry her off. And check this out. It's like a dog blow dryer. Got this long hose and then, of course, the switch, then we flip it. And it's got all kinds of cool air. Let's dry her off. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh yeah. So we sit here, we dry her off. Isn't this great? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, here we go. You've done such a great job. All right, let's turn off our blow dryer. All right, now we gotta get your leash on. All right, here we go. Let's see, we're gonna take that one off. Then we're gonna put this one on. There we go. All right, hey, you ready to go get a treat? All right, let's go, come on. We've had so much fun with Reese today. She's all nice and clean. Oh, and now we gotta get her a treat. Are you hungry, Reese? Oh, she's excited. She must be really hungry. She smells all these treats down here. All right, well, come on. Let's go. All right. Oh, yeah. How about right here? Look at here. Are those treats cool? All right, well, let's get her a treat. All right. Oh, good girl. How about a treat? You want a treat? Yeah. Oop, there you go. A good girl. She likes those. Can I get that ball? Good girl. I'll give you one more. How about that? There you go. Good girl. She's all set. There she goes. And of course, she's been a great girl, so she gets some treats.
Thanks, Handyman Hal.
You're very welcome. All right, Reese, you have a good day today, okay? All right, cool. Oh, wow, look, my friends.
Oh, okay.
It's Kittens. Oh, that's awesome. Hey there, buddy. This little guy is Ink Spot. And of course, his friend down there is called Puff. Oh, aren't they awesome? Oh yeah, hey buddy. Hey there. Ink Spot is actually up for adoption. Oh yeah, he is. And of course, when we adopt pets, of course we save their life, right? We give them a place to stay. He's really, really cool, right? Yep. And of course, with our pets, we got to make sure that they have really clean water and really good food. And of course, we got to make sure that we play with them, exercise with them. Yeah, that's awesome, right? That's great. All right, buddy. You ready to go back inside? Yeah. All right, let's get you back inside. Here you go, buddy. Right back inside with your friend there, so you guys can play. It's really awesome. I'll see you later. Aren't pet stores awesome? And Pet Supplies Plus has all these cool toys. Oh, look, they've even got dog bones. Oh, that's cool. Oh, yeah. And look, They've even got a pig. Oh, that's really awesome. Let's see what else they got. Oh, I gotta get that back on there. There we go. Oh, wow, let's see. Oh, wow, check this out. It's a huge hot dog. Oh, I bet my dogs would love this. I might have to get it for them. Oh, wow. Thanks for shopping Pet Supplies Plus. What do you got? Oh, wow. It's a cool little dog bowl. That's cool. What else? Oh, this is really cool. It's a pink leash. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, there we go. Let's see. Oh, these are great. Oh, they're little toys. Oh, listen to that. You must got a sweet little dog at home. Maybe not so little, but wow, this is awesome. Oh, great. Well, thanks for watching Handyman Hal today. We had a great day. I'll see you later.
Cause we're awesome, 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 awesome. Yeah, we're awesome, 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 yes we are. And we're smart and we're cute, we're even awesome when we toot. Excuse me. We're awesome, 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 awesome.
A big thanks to Pet Supplies Plus in Murrells Inlet, South Carolina for letting us come and work today. It was awesome.
We can learn, we can play, we can have an awesome day, yeah. We're awesome, 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 awesome. We'll have fun, me and you, being awesome's what we do, cause we're awesome. We're awesome, 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 awesome.
Hey there, my friends. It's me, Handyman Hal. I hope you're having a great day. We've got an awesome job to do today. We're here at the Equestrian Center in Georgetown, South Carolina, and we get to work with horses today. How cool is that? First thing, we gotta feed them, so come on, let's go. Oh yeah, we've got a big, huge pile of hay here. We gotta put it in our hay cart. Check this thing out. Oh yeah, isn't this thing cool? Oh yep, sweet. Let's crawl on right here, turn it on. Check this thing out. It's even got a horn. Oh, that's cool. Come on, let's go meet some horses. Let's go. Ooh, yeah. Oh, look, we even got some puppies. Hey, fellas. Oh, yeah. Oh, here we go, here we go. Come right on in here. Check this out. Oh, yep. Oh, go too far. Oh, there we go. Sweet. Check this out. This is Lottie. Oh, yeah. Hey, Miss Lottie. Oh, let's see what she's doing. Hey, how you doing? Oh, yeah, isn't she awesome? Well, let's get some hay for her. Come on. Oh, yep. Got a handful of hay for her. Let's see here. Oh, yeah. Just keep that in there. Horses love hay. Oh, yep. In their bucket. Hey there. Would you like some hay? Yeah? Can I pet you one more time? Oh, yeah. There we go. And how about a special treat? Did you know horses like carrots? We got a special treat for them. Oh, yeah. Got me a little bag of carrots here. Oh, yeah. That's awesome. Come on. All right, Miss Lottie, how about a carrot? You want a carrot? Yeah? How about that? Does that look good? Yeah? Oh, yeah, that's totally awesome. We got her all set up with her food now. Sweet. Does it taste good? Sweet. Oh, sweet. Yo, come on. Let's go on to the next one. Let's see who else we can meet today. Hop right on along. Here we go. All right. Oh, we're here. This is Veronica. Hey, Miss Veronica. How are you? Oh, you doing okay today? Would you like some hay? Yeah? Would you like some hay? All right, let's get you some. All right, let's get a handful of hay for her. Little hay in here. All right, let's see. All right, here we go. Oh yeah. How about that? That work for you, sweet girl? Oh yeah. Oh, how about a carrot? Would you like a carrot? Let's get you a carrot. All right, yeah. There we go. Sweet. Oh, that's a nice big carrot there. Come on. Here you go, sweet girl. Oh, there you go. In your bucket. How about that? Is that good? You like that? Oh, she's really enjoying that carrot. All right. Oh, she really liked that carrot. On to the next one. Let's go. Hop on our hay cart here. Oh yeah, here we go. That's it right there. Oh, check this out. This is Sally. She's really pretty. Hey, Miss Sally. How are you? You doing okay today? Yeah? Oh, you want some hay? Are you hungry? Yeah, are you hungry? All right, well, let's get you some hay. All right. Oh, yeah. There we go. Here you go. Sound good? Does this look good? Oh, yeah. How about that? Does that taste good? How about a carrot? Would you like a carrot? All right, let's get her a carrot. Oh, carrots are great. Even I like carrots. You gotta like your vegetables. Let's see here. Oh, yep, there we go. Come on. Here you go, Miss Sally. How about that? We'll put that in your bucket for you. Does that taste good? Yeah? You have a great day, okay? Oh, how awesome is that? All right, let's get that locked back up there. We got one more cool horse to go to. We'll give her a carrot. We'll give her 2 carrots. How about that? Oh yeah, come on. She's really special. Her name is Lily, and she's a pony. Oh, hey there, Miss Lily. How are you? Check this out. She's a pony. Oh yeah. You want some carrots? Oh yeah. How about a carrot? Good. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna give you a little pet here. How do you like them carrots? Oh, she likes the carrots. Oh yeah. How cool is that? Have you ever wanted a pony before? Hey. Hey. Come on. Let's go. Slide that back in there. Just like that. Don't want them getting out. Come on, let's go get ready to ride a horse now. Hop on our hay cart. Come on, let's go. All right, my friends, this is what I want you to meet. This is Mitzi. Hey, Miss Mitzi, how are you? And then, of course, this is Miss Tyler. Hey, Miss Tyler.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Awesome. So we're here. We're gonna brush Miss Mitzi today, but check this out. We got all these cool combs and brushes. Let's see what we got. Well, first off, we got this. This is a curry comb. It's kind of cool looking. And then, oh, check this out. It's a dandy brush. It's really cool. Oh, and this right here. This is a comb. Probably one of the biggest combs I've ever seen. This is a mane and tail comb. That's cool. All right, so I think first we use our curry comb, right?
Yes,
all right, I'm gonna let you show us what to do there.
So the way your curry comb works is it's gonna bring up all the dirt that's trapped up against her skin, get it loose for you and get some loose hair. You'll wanna get her back, her belly, everywhere that you're gonna put anything to ride with, like a saddle, pad, stuff like that.
Nice, and does that hurt her or is she like that?
It's good, it gets all their itchy places.
Oh, those little hard to reach itchy places, that's cool. All right, so what's next? The dandy brush, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, cool deal. So, Miss Tyler, what is your role here at the Equestrian Center? What do you do here?
I'm one of the main riding instructors and I help with some of the training.
Oh, so you train the horses?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's probably one of the coolest jobs ever. Oh, that's awesome. So how long have you been doing this for?
I've been working here for 6 years.
6 years. Oh, working with horses for 6 years? That's really, really cool. Awesome. Maybe that's a job that I might have to have one day. All right, and so next is this comb, right?
Yes, sir.
So can I comb her mane?
Of course.
Oh, cool. Let me sit this down. Oh, cool deal. Hey there, Miss Missy. Can I comb your mane for you? Yeah. Do you like that? It's really pretty.
She loves having her mane brushed.
That's awesome. So horses actually can be measured, right, in their height?
Yes, sir.
And how do they measure?
You measure them with hands.
Like with my hand?
Yes, sir.
This hand?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Yes.
So I put it on the side like that?
Well, we have a stick to help you measure.
Oh, so there's a measuring stick. Oh, cool. Well, let's get that measuring stick. Check this out. This is a measuring stick. And of course, it's measuring in hands. Wait, this my hand's not 4 inches, right? Oh yeah, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 inches. So this is how we gotta do it, right? You gotta measure them to the top of their withers. And that's right here. Isn't that cool? So we take this measuring stick, slide it down, just to where it barely touches. Oh, we gotta make sure everything is straight and level. Oh, we're not level. Is that it? Almost. All right, sweet. That's it. So we are at, 15 hands and a ½ an inch. How cool is that? I wonder how tall I am in hands. Does that work? Is that it there? We good? We gotta go up, go down.
Looks like you're 18 hands.
Oh, 18 hands. Oh, how awesome is that? That's really cool. So, what's next?
Saddle up to ride.
Well, we got to saddle up. So let's go get our saddle. Come on, let's go. Oh, wow. Check this out. This room is called the tack room. It has all the equipment we need to ride a horse. Oh, that's really cool. Look over here. This right here is where all the horses' bridles are. And of course, Mitzi, that's ours. So we got to get her bridle just for her. Oh, that's really cool. Check out all these cool saddles. These are English saddles. Check this out. Oh, it's a tiny one. Look at that. You know, these saddles are good for jumping. Oh, yep, those are cool. So I'll slide that back up there. But today, I get to ride a Western saddle. Oh, check out all these Western saddles. Oh, yeah. I got to pick the perfect one, though. Let's see. Oh, I like this one. This one's cool right here. Oh, it's a little heavy. Get in there. Oh, yeah. Check this out. How cool is this? Oh, yeah. Come on. Let's go get Mitzi saddled up. Let's go. All right, now I got my saddle and she's got her pad on. She's ready to go. So let's get it on there. Let's see if I can do this. All right, Miss Mitzi, here we go. Oh, yeah. Is that good there? I think so. Almost. Pretty good there? Awesome. All right, Miss Tyler, what do we do next?
So next we're gonna get your girth set up over here on your off billet.
That's her girth?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Looks like big, huge belts. That's really cool. This is where your feet go. It's called the stirrups. How cool is that? Oh, yeah. We're gonna have so much fun riding this horse today. Come on, let's walk around here. All right, so all you gotta do is just latch this one last one, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, and does it go in this hole right here?
It can.
All right, let's see here. Oh, sweet. Yeah.
So the way you get the line up real pretty, just pull this here
Okay.
so it lays flat, and then you can put your extra right over here.
Up there? Okay, cool. And so that's tight enough that it won't come off.
We tighten it again before you get on.
Okay. Awesome. Oh, and there goes the other stirrup. Cool, that's awesome. All right, so what's next?
Next, we're gonna bridle her up, and then you can head to the mounting block and get on.
A bridle. So what is a bridle?
So your bridle is what you'll use to steer and control your horse.
Okay.
So this is Mitzi's right here.
Okay.
She rides with 2 hands with this bridle.
Okay. Is there a reason why that actually goes into her mouth?
So the reason why we put it into her mouth is so we can have some form of control.
Okay.
Some horses have to go off of pressure from here, and she goes off of pressure from here at her mouth.
Okay. Well, that's really cool. All right, well, we got her all saddled up and ready to ride. So, Miss Tyler, what kind of horse is Mitzi?
Mitzi's an American paint horse.
Oh, so you mean like a paintbrush paint horse?
You got it.
Why is she called a paint horse?
So she's a paint because she has all these fun, funky markings.
Oh, that's really cool. And so, how can you tell how old a horse is?
Well, you can tell by looking at their teeth. They have all these kinds of special grooves. And you can see how they file down with age.
Oh, wow. So you can tell how old I am by my teeth?
I don't think I can.
That is kind of cool. And is it true that horses only breathe through their nose? They can't breathe through their mouth?
It's true.
Oh, wow, that's really cool. And then, of course, horses have horseshoes, right? Kind of like this one right here. This is really cool. Check that out. Yeah. And so, Miss Mitzi, do you have horseshoes?
She does not.
Really? Why don't you have horseshoes?
She doesn't need any form of support. She's a barefoot girl.
Oh, right. So she must be strong enough that she doesn't have a horseshoe, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's awesome. Well, let's get on to the ride. Let's go. All right, my friends. This right here is called a riding block. With these steps, of course, to get you up to the top, to get you on top of a horse. And here comes Mitzi now. Oh, we're gonna have so much fun doing this. Oh, yep. Of course, this is really good exercise for the horses and for me too. All right, climb right on. Let's put our feet in the stirrups there. Oh, get in there. And we're ready to go. Come on, let's go. Oh, yeah.
The way that you're gonna stop with her, you're gonna let both your feet real soft come forward, and you'll bring your reins back as you need to.
So like that.
And you see how she moved her mouth? That was her responding to you. She
Okay.
was saying, okay, I'm stopped already. What do you want me to do?
Okay.
So the way that you go about turning her, so since you're riding with 2 hands, you gotta separate everything. Whenever you turn this way, this hand stays here. It's not doing a thing. This arm comes out as you need to. You see how she moved her head over for you? Same for that arm. Try it for me. There you go.
Learning to ride a horse, using their bridle,
Do you remember how to stop her?
even my feet, even the stopper. Just like that.
Good
How
job.
awesome is that? Oh, and then we can get going forward. You ready? Here we go. Oh yeah, just like that. Isn't this awesome? Riding horses is so much fun. So Miss Tyler, how old can you be to ride a horse?
So some of my riders are 2. So they just learn their little gaits and how to sit and have fun. And some of my riders are up in their 80s and they're getting their first rides.
Oh wow, that's awesome. So it doesn't matter how old you are.
Horse
can ride a
riding's
horse.
everything.
Yeah. All right, so now we get to go over these poles so we can work on how fast and how slow the horse can go. Yeah. Just a little bit of training here. Oh, that's awesome. So let's turn around and see if we can do it one more time. Oh yeah. This is great. Here we go. Back over him one more time. All right, here we go. Yeah, Mitzi, you're doing a great job. Isn't she? Good girl. We try one more time? Let's go. All right, come on. Let's come back around. All right. All right. There we go. Come on. Let's go to those poles. Here we go. Yep. Nice. Good job. Awesome job. Now for some really cool random horse facts. Most horses weigh between 900 and 2,000 pounds. That's heavy. Did you know horses can't burp or throw up? Whoa. A boy baby horse, it's called a colt. And a girl baby horse, they call that a filly. Did you know that horses can sleep standing up on all four of their legs? But they do lay down sometimes. That was an awesome riding lesson. Let's take Mitzi for a quick horse bath. Oh, wow. She's done such a great job today, right? Miss Mitzi, you've done great today. Oh, so now comes the best part. She gets to get a rinse off and cool her off. Oh, yeah. Here we go. You ready? All right, let's do this. Oh, yeah. Isn't this an awesome job working with horses? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's great. Does that feel good? Yeah. It's cooling her off. Oh, wow. There you go, sweet girl. All right. Oh, yeah. All right, now we get to use this really cool tool. It's called a sweat scraper. Check this out. And it just kind of rakes the water off of her. Oh, I bet you like that, don't you? Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's great. All right. Wow. Then she's done a great job today. Got to go get her that carrot. Come on, let's go. All right, Mitzi. Are you ready for your carrots? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Here we go. We'll put them in your bucket for you, okay? There you go. Oh, yeah. How do those taste? Those taste good? Oh, yeah. She likes that carrot. Mm-hmm. Oh, wow. Look at this. This is a miniature horse. And her name is Elsa. Hey, Elsa. Did you know there's over 200 different breeds of horses? Yeah, that's awesome. Oh, I wonder how many hands she is. Wow. It's been such an amazing day. But of course, if you have horses, you gotta take good care of them. So that means you gotta clean out their stalls, right? Well, I got my wheelbarrow and I got my fork. It's a big fork. Come on. Oh, hey, Sally. How are you? Of course, you gotta come in here and take care of all this in here. Let's see. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna come right below you there. Is that okay? All right. Here we go. What's this? It's called mucking. So you gotta take care of them. Just toss it right inside there, just like that. This was such an amazing job today, working with horses. Oh, yeah. We gotta give a special thanks to Georgetown Equestrian Center for letting us come and have some fun and work with their amazing horses. Did you know they have over 50 horses here? It's a lot of horses. And they also have something that's really cool called Hugs for Horses. It's a really cool event. So thanks for watching Handyman Hal today. Have an awesome day. Sally, what's in your diet, sweetheart?
Hal's a handyman that's got a plan. Hal the handyman, if he can't fix it, no one can.
Hey there, my friends. It's me, Handyman Hal. Hope you're doing awesome. We're here at Thompson Farm. And we're gonna have an awesome time. Come on, let's go.
Hal's a handyman that's got a plan. Hal the handyman, if he can't fix it, no one can.
There we are. We fixed it. We fixed the slide rail. Oh, but check it out. It's not any slide. It's a gigantic slide. How awesome is this? Well, we've got it fixed. Put our hammer back in our tool belt. Let's go check it out. Come on. Oh, we got a lot of steps. Might take a while to get up there, but we're gonna get there. Oh, look, see, we even got some rules. Oh, might need to fix that. Get out our socket wrench. Tighten these up a little bit. Let's see here. There it is. Okay, yep. One right there. I think this one on the bottom needs a little bit of tightening too. Right here. Okay. There we go. Awesome. Of course, you gotta have slide rules, right? Oh, wow. Oh, look. It's a corn maze. We're gonna have to check that out soon. Come on, let's go. All right, my friends. We're at the top. Check this out. We are really high. You can see everything from up here. Oh, you can see the animals. Oh, you see all the tires down there. This is awesome. But let's check out the slide. That one's closed. This one isn't. Oh, let's see. Oh yeah, this is great. This is awesome. You can hear my echo. Cool. Come look at this. Isn't that awesome? Oh yeah. But I got a great idea. Handyman Hal Super Slide Spray. Oh, it's the best stuff in the world. Oh yes. Of course, it's a big slide, so we've got to use a good amount. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'll get it in there. Oh yeah. All right, sweet. I think that might be enough. Let's do a little bit of wiping right here. Okay. Get down in there. Okay. All right. Oh, yep. Okay. All right. Oh, yeah. This is gonna be great. All right. Let's take off the tool belt and let's go have some fun. Here we go. Yep. Okay. Whoa! I see at the bottom. Whoa! Wow! That was awesome! Oh yeah! Oh, wow! Oh. Wasn't that so much fun? Come on, let's go do it again. My friends, that was so awesome. We gotta do this again. Come on. Wow, that was awesome. Let's go do this again. Oh yeah, that was totally awesome. The coolest rides ever. The Super Slide Spray, it really works. But check this out. This is like huge industrial pipes that they use on construction sites. They brought it out here to Thompson Farms to make this gigantic slide. How cool is that? It's a fun ride too. Oh wow, look at all that cool stuff. Come on, let's go. They even got a pumpkin checkerboard. How cool is this? It's orange versus white. Let's play. You ready? Here we go. Oh, triple jump! You know the best thing about being on a farm? It's the farm animals. I love farm animals. And they got a really cool place that you can feed them. Check it out. We've got all kinds of cool animals out here. We've got pigs, they're miniature cows. We even got miniature goats and sheep. How cool is that? And we're gonna feed them. Check it out. We got some feed right here. Look at it. Oh, that's really, really cool. So let's see if we can get some over here. Come on. You want something to eat? Oh, wow. This is a goat. Check this out. Oh, yeah. Oh, Oh, there you go. Hey, look, this one's even got horns. Oh, and look, you see their pupils? Can you see that? They're rectangle, not like humans that are circle. Oh, but you know what that's for? It's to help them see better at night. How cool is that? Oh, look, we got a sheep here. Oh, and look, it's got horns too. You see how it curves around? Oh, that's really cool. Oh, yeah. Yeah, all right, let me get some more. Did you know that goats, whenever they're babies, are called kids? How cool is that? And you know that they have their own distinct sound? So whenever they call, their mom knows exactly where they're at? That's really cool. And did you know that they only have bottom teeth? Yep. That's why we gotta be really, really nice to them and feed them really easy, just like this right here. That's really cool. Oh yeah. How is it? Is it good? Hey. Oh, and look, this one's got blue eyes. Oh, I guess she just didn't want any. Oh, look, here we go. Nope. Oh, I guess she's gonna have to get all of it, huh? Here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. And the miniature cow, it's called a zebu. Oh, that one's really cool. Oh, wow, look. These are cool dogs. You know that these are called Great Pyrenees? It's really cool. And you know that they have a really good purpose on this farm? And that's to protect all of the tiny animals. Right. Ain't that right? Oh, isn't that awesome? Oh, look. This is where they do the hay rides. Come on. Let's go check this out. Oh, this is a cool trailer. It's really long. And this is what everybody actually comes and rides on. If we can get it open. There we go. Come on, look. This is really cool. And everybody gets to come up here and sit. And they take this with a huge tractor on the front through the big field out there where they've got big cows and, oh, they've even got buffaloes. And you get to feed them. How cool is that? Come on, let's go. Which one? So many sizes and shapes. We gotta pick out our annual pumpkin from our annual pumpkin smashing. Oh yeah. Oh, wow, look at these over here. We got some white ones. Oh wait, no, we even got some gourds. These are cool. They come in all shapes and sizes. Oh, got some yellow ones, some orange ones, some green ones. That's really cool. Oh, I see some over here. Come on. Oh, I think this is it. Oh, this is it. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. Oh, wow. Look at all of this corn. It's like a corn pool. Do you know what this means? Oh. Corn cannonball! Corn angel! Wow, look at this. It's the corn maze. Oh, this is totally cool. Come on, let's go have some fun. Oh, look. This is what the corn maze looks like. It says we're up to our ears and fun at Thompson Farms. That's really cool. But you can't really see that unless you go all the way up there. Wonder where we should go. Let's go this way, come on. Wow, I don't know, my friends. All this corn's starting to look the same. Sure, I know where I'm at. I think I might have been that way. I don't know. Huh. I am getting kind of hungry. I wonder if they got any popcorn out here. Oh. Woo! Man, this is tough. Oh, wow. I see the top of the slide. Let's go in that direction. Oh, wow. Well, looks like we found the end. That was totally awesome and exhausting. Well, I think I might need to sit down. Oh, on this really cool swing. Oh, it's a little squeaky. We might need to fix that. Man, haven't we had an awesome day today? We went through an awesome corn maze, even though we probably got lost a little bit. We even went down that awesome slide. It was huge and super fast. It was great. We even got to play around with some really cool animals. Thanks to Thompson Farms for allowing us to come out and have an awesome time. You should check it out. Got some awesome family fun here. Well, thanks for watching Handyman Hal today. We'll see you later. Ladies and gentlemen, and children of all ages, it is now time for Handyman Hal's annual pumpkin smashing. Oh, yep. Got my sledgehammer here. Oh, yeah. Let's do this. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, we got it stuck in there. Oh, get it out, get it out. Oh, here we go. Oh, yeah. 1, up. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, yeah. Shake that out. Look at all these cool insides. Oh, yeah. Look at all of this in here. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, there it is. Look at all the seeds. Oh, this is cool. Let's turn it around and let's get one. Oh, check that out. Let's get one more good smash here. Here we go. That's 1. That's 2. Yeah, that was awesome. This looks like spaghetti inside. We might need to see that in slow motion.